Here in Scotland, we are building an offshore wind farm just 15 kilometres off the Angus coast, Inch Cape Offshore Wind Farm. The site will generate enough clean electricity to power half of Scottish homes and cut carbon emissions by 2.5 million tonnes every year.
We are responsible for the transport and installation of the monopile foundations at the Inch Cape Offshore Wind Farm with our vessel Les Alizés. We have installed 54 monopiles, some of which were the longest we have ever installed. We began the campaign during December 2025, and we finished the campaign a bit more than 6 months later with the last monopile that we can see here.
With Les Alizés, our teams installed 54 monopiles measuring up to 101 metres in length, the length of a football pitch, and weighing up to 2,300 tonnes. To put that into perspective, the largest monopile we installed on a previous project was 88 metres long and weighed 1,500 tonnes, making Inch Cape one of the most challenging foundation projects we have undertaken to date. These foundations support the Inch Cape Offshore Wind Farm, the first offshore wind farm in the United Kingdom to use 15 MW Vestas turbines.
So we prepared the installation of every monopile to the smallest detail, basically. We had an individual location plan for each monopile as they varied in length. The shortest one was 77 meters and the longest one was up to 101 meters. For every location, we also took into account site-specific conditions such as water depth, seabed stability, currents, and also wave conditions. So because of the size of the monopiles and the challenging seabed conditions, we had to use a follower. It is a special extension that we have to install on top of the monopile, and that allows us to install each monopile safely to target depth. Together with our client, we are building the foundations for a more secure and sustainable energy future.